Question 17. The diagram shows two identical rectangles joined to make an L shape. Work out, part A, the total area of the L shape. So if these two are identical rectangles joined to make an L shape, okay, so if they're identical and that full length there is 10 and the height, so we know the height of the rectangle is 6 centimeters, so we can also mark on here that that length, the height of this rectangle, has to be 6 centimeters. So if the height there is 6 centimeters, the width of the rectangle here has to be 4 centimeters. Okay, so the 6 plus the 4 makes a full length of 10. Similarly, we now know that length is 4 centimeters. Again, so if that is 6 centimeters, that's 4, that's 6, that's 4. So work out the total area of the L shape. Well, we know if we put it into the first rectangle and the second rectangle, which we know are equal, the area of rectangle 1 is equal to 4 times 6, which is 24 centimeters squared. The area of rectangle 2 is again equal to 6 times 4, which is 24 centimeters squared. So together the total area is 24 plus 24 is 48 centimeters squared. Now part B says the perimeter, work out the perimeter of the L shape. So we ordered from part A, we worked out that is 4 centimeters, the length here is 6 centimeters, this width is 4 centimeters, this width is 10, that length is 10 from the top to bottom. Now we've got just this one length here that we don't know at the moment, because the perimeter is all the distance. The perimeter is the distance around the outside. Of the shape. Now think perimeter fence, the fence all the way around the outside. So we've got 10 plus 4 plus 6, we need to know this length here. Well, if we know the full length here is 6 of the height of the rectangle, and we know this length here is 4, this little bit here has to be 2 centimeters. So the perimeter is 10 plus 4 plus 6 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6. Now it's really important that we write down all our working here so that we've shown that we've got the 10 plus 4 plus 6 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6. We're back to the original place there. So 10 add 4 is 14, plus 6 is 20, plus 2 is 22, plus 4 is 26, plus 6 is 32 centimeters. Now, it's quite difficult when you're adding together 6 numbers. So 10 add 4 is 14. I'm going to check it. 14, 6 plus 2 is 8, and 4 plus 6 is 10. So 14 plus 8 is 22, plus 10 is 32. Good, that's correct. I self-checked that answer, which we must do. So the perimeter of the L shape is 32 centimeters, the distance all the way around the outside. And the distance all the way around the outside can be shown. I'm going to show it now with a highlighter. So my first distance I went up there. 10 plus 4 plus 6 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6. Back to the original place that I started.